Campus or Computer, Is Online School Right for You? By Misha Patel. It was summertime and I had woken up lazily at around 11 o'clock and showered and got dressed. I went down the stairs and made myself a bowl of cereal to start off the day. I put on my favorite show and sat down on the couch, ready to sit and hang around the house for the rest of the day. As I ate a spoonful of my cereal, my parents appeared in front of the TV. They were quick to remind me about the online course I was taking in preparation for the next school year. It was a program for math, and I needed to reach 100% in the progress monitor by the end of summer. As you can imagine, this turned my cheerful mood pretty miserable. There was nothing I dreaded more than this. I had no motivation to do something I didn't enjoy, especially in the summer, which is supposed to be a break from school. As you'll learn in this TED Talk, that is one of the disadvantages of taking online courses or online school. My name is Misha Patel, and I am a student at Warren Middle School. Though many people are quick to say they wish they took online school, they don't know its reality. Today I will be explaining the most important benefits and downsides of online school to you. There are many benefits to online school. One of the main benefits is time flexibility. As shown in this graph, the main reason students are switching completely to online school is because they want more flexibility. Specifically, many student athletes take online school because they can work on their own schedule. This is helpful to work around practices and games. When I was taking online school, I was able to work whenever and wherever. There were no set times I had to start or finish. Another advantage of online school is that it is self-directed. This approach allows students to work at their own pace. For some students with learning disabilities, it can be easier to take online school because there is no one else competing for the teacher's attention. It is focused around how they learn best. As said on usnews.com, online programs also free students with learning disabilities like ADHD, dyslexia, or visual processing disorder the distractions of the traditional classroom. Not only can working at your own pace help students with disabilities, but also students who excel in a specific area can learn at a faster pace online. They won't get bored or lose interest as they could in on-campus school, learning things they already know with their whole class. For me, I was able to slow down on some topics that were more difficult and watch more explanations, but for the things I already knew, I could just complete them easily and quickly. This helped me save time, which, as you can see, is a very beneficial factor to online students. Additionally, the fact that online school is distant from social situations can be a benefit of it. In some cases, students with disabilities such as Asperger's syndrome, other autism spectrum disorders, or social struggles, online school could be the way to go for them. They can work in comfortable, familiar environments like home. I like being able to do my work in my pajamas wherever I wanted and could. Communicating and learning from home can also take off the pressure of having to start a conversation or ask a question. Bullying is also unfortunately more likely to happen in a traditional school environment, and online school can help prevent this. Those are some of the advantages of taking online school, which are usually the first things that come to mind when you think of online school. All of those factors have created a steady increase in online school enrollment, which shows a decrease in traditional on-campus learning. There are almost as many negatives as there are positives when it comes to online school that people don't usually think of. This is why, though people are quick to say they wish they took online school, they need to seriously consider some big effects it can have. The first negative of taking online school is that you must be very self-disciplined. I know from my experience that I used to procrastinate or get easily distracted by my phone. This made it hard to focus. There are also no teachers pushing you towards deadlines or due dates, which can make it difficult to stay on track and keep up with your classes. Completion rates of online schools are also therefore lower than those of public schools. According to U.S. News data, a survey completed in 2015 proved that students who attended on-campus schools were 3 to 5% more likely to complete the course than compared to online school. The second downside to taking online school is that it creates a deficit in the amount of social interaction you have. Especially at a young age, it is crucial for students to learn how to act around others, and online school can prevent them from learning this. I believe that it is better to attend traditional school when you are younger, so that you learn how to interact with others in social situations. When you are older, such as in college, you have already acquired those skills, so you won't be missing out on as many life lessons compared to a younger student. The third and final disadvantage is the cost. Unlike many public schools, the cost of online school tuition can be very high, especially if you want to learn at a good school. Most online schools are also private, which means prices could be even higher. Don't forget the additional costs of the program marketing, development, and support services that they charge you for. This pricing, compared to that of traditional school, which is often paid through taxes, is significantly greater. A lot of the top online schools can cost a lot, especially over multiple years, such as in high school. It is important to know the benefits and detriments of online school before you think about making the switch. As you have probably realized, it was harder for me to commit to it, especially in the summertime. But I would take another class because it did help me overall, though there were many downsides that I had to learn and adapt to. However, for me it was different since I only took one class online to help me with one subject, versus students who take all of their classes online. Whether online school will be successful is unique to each person and their life situations. Online school can make it easy to work around your own schedule, prevent uncomfortable social situations, and allow you to work at your own pace. However, it could also deteriorate your social skills, be costly, and easily allow you to procrastinate it. Though there are many different perspectives on online school, I hope this TED Talk has helped you create yours. Thank you.